Hi guys, my name is Vanessa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick get ready with me for flying. Normally my report times are really early and sometimes I have to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning and I don't want to put a lot of time and effort into my makeup, especially right now with everything that's going on and having to wear face coverings. So this is going to be my super quick and easy 3 o'clock in the morning get ready with me for flying makeup tutorial, what I've been doing pretty much since I've gone back on the line. So stay tuned if you want to see what I do to get ready at like 3 o'clock in the morning.
I always like to start with some concealer when I'm doing my makeup just to cover up some dark circles. Early mornings are an occupational hazard of being a flight attendant, so this just helps to make me look a little bit more awake. And to do that, I'm just using my Too Faced Multi-Sculpt Concealer. Once I have that placed where I want it to go, I will just take my damp beauty sponge and go ahead and blend it all in. Even though we're not wearing makeup on the lower half of my face, I am still going to make sure to powder the concealer really well so it doesn't transfer onto the top part of my mask. For this, I'm taking my Morphe brush and my Hourglass Veil powder. So my cheeks can't really be seen, but the top part of my face, my high points, my cheekbones, the tops of my eyelids, all of that can be, so I do still like to add an extra glow with my Morphe brush and my Fenty highlighter. I basically put this on all of the high points and the entire top part of my face that can be seen. So airplanes are super dry and so is my skin. So at this point I take two different kinds of setting sprays. This one's a cucumber water and the next one is by NYX, the Bare Skin one, and I douse my face with these just to try and help keep some extra moisture from the powders that we put on our face. Eyebrows really are the frames of the face, which makes them the most important step, in my opinion, for makeup while wearing a face mask. I start by pushing them up and setting them in place with a clear brow gel. This one is from Pixie.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
Once I'm happy with how fluffy my brows look, I start filling them in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. I start at the front part of my brows where I tend to be the most sparse, and then I move on to my tail just to help the eyebrow look all the same color and really extend the tail out where it tends to be a little bit sparse.
Till I get up.
Mascara is the last step and I only do this if I feel like it. This one that I'm using is from Essence and I hate myself for doing that. But we move on because again it's 4 o'clock in the morning and I've already overslept for sure. It's obviously not 4 o'clock in the morning when I'm filming this. And like my skin, my lips are super dry, so my final step is just some lip balm. This one is from Jack Black and it's the Shea Butter one. I just like to slather that on and here we go.
And finally, I just take my clips out of my hair. If I was actually going to fly, my hair would end up in a ponytail, but I still have a couple of hours until I need to leave for the airport, so I'm not going to get dressed yet. But this is my super simple get ready with me for flying. I don't like to put a lot of effort in because normally I'm waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, and I just don't think that spending hours and hours on my makeup is worth it, especially not right now. I have to wear a mask, so all you see are my eyes and my eyebrows. Therefore, all I'm gonna do are my eyes and my eyebrows, which I still think looks fine. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button right down below and leave me a comment. When all of this is over, where would you like to fly first? Bye.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.